Guys, I'm getting nervous. I think the sky's about to blow. This is the 21st rubber band, and on it goes. Don't sweat it, it's all good. Jacob's right. We still have plenty to go. Alright, I accept that challenge. Let's do this. More and more. We've used so many already. Almost there. Whoa! A serious explosion just took place here. Now there's watermelon everywhere, including on my glasses. It worked!
Wow!
Hey! That was so worth all the time it took.
Wow!
I suggest we continue with our 100-layer challenge.
Wow!
I'm down, especially for talking about sandwiches like this. Oh man, this is so good. Yeah, well, next to mine, yours is super tiny. Ooh, you should take a look at mine, Jacob. This is insane. I cannot believe how high this sandwich tower goes.
Wow!
Now to figure out how in the heck I'm meant to come at this thing. I can't even get one bite. I think I might need tools for this. Nope, too small. Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna demolish this real quick. Jessica, stop! Well, that didn't exactly work out the way I hoped it would, but at least I can eat now.
No, 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 no!
She ruined her dish. I can't believe what I just witnessed. One piece of gum? How sad. This isn't nearly enough. Wow. Me, I've got a whole pack.
Wow!
Check this out. Now you can say wow. Well, aren't you the lucky one? This tiny amount isn't really good for anything. See, I can't even blow a normal bubble. Did you seriously just spit gum at me? I'm gonna chew up all of mine and get you back for that. Look, how amazing is this bubble, you guys? I know you're jealous. I'm pretty sure I can beat that record, given that I've got more gum than I know what to do with. My bubble is gonna be crazy big. Oh, my mouth is full. Y'all ready for this? I cannot believe it. Someone grab me. Ooh, I'm floating away. Oh, he's hitting the ceiling. I can stop this. Thanks, Jess. You saved me. Countless layers of chocolate cake is a dream come true.
Wow!
I've really lucked out this time. I'll take this opportunity to make a wish while I'm at it. Weird. I can't blow out the candle. I just need to try harder. What? I'm dying over here.
Hey!
What are you two just sitting there for? Help me! And together. Still no good. I'm not giving up just yet. No way. What do you think she's doing? I've got my trusty fire extinguisher. Let's do this. Okay, this has to have done it. What the heck did you just do, Charlotte?
Oops!
Ooh, sorry guys. Ugh, and the candle is still burning. This isn't happening. There's no way my wish is coming true. One tiny little wafer cookie. What a bummer. And Jacob has a cookie skyscraper. Whoa, that thing is practically touching the ceiling.
Wow!
I'm so happy right now. Where should I start? I think I'll be taking the Jenga approach to this bad boy and go ahead and pull out one wafer. Phew, it worked. Mind if I join the game? I got one. Jess? Oh, I don't know. It all looks so shaky. All right, if I'm careful, I should be fine. I think I'll go for this cookie. Oh no! Well, you destroyed that. I knew I wouldn't be able to win. Now there are cookies everywhere. And they're all yours, too. Mine? Okay then, I'll get started. Whoa! Is she a competitive eater or something? These are quite tasty. Yummy! Those were lovely. You guys should have joined in.
Oh.
Pancakes, my fave.
Wow.
Can't say I'm mad about all these fluffy pancakes either. Ooh. You would say that since you've got another tower, and I've just got one that's stuck to my plate. I am seriously hungry over here. I can't wait to eat all of these. Oh god, that looks delicious. I want to get a taste too. Just you wait, Pancake. I'm gonna get you off this plate if it's the last thing I do.
Oh.
Charlotte, you hit me. I'm so sorry. I'm just really hungry. But I guess I'll be going without. No, you won't. Here, Charlotte. Is that really for me? Thank you, you're the best. Oh, and so is this. Jacob, sorry about that. Seriously. Oops. Why is everyone hitting me today? And what is this? Doesn't look very good. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this.
Oh.
I've got a whole pile of it. I think it's wasabi. Ew. And that stuff is super spicy. Actually, it wasn't bad. Well then, I'll try mine. Oh, hot! Oh, that means my mouth is gonna be on fire after I eat all this.
No, 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 no!
Oh, it burns! Help me! We have to do something. I've got water. That was kinda overkill. Bread? How boring. I know how to improve this dish with a bit of jam. Now that's much more like it. 3 slices. That means I can use different spreads, like some apricot jam and a bit of Nutella, for example. I'll stack this up and then… it's missing something. Close, but still not enough whipped cream. Hey! Perfect. It looks like a whole cake now. Yum. I had no idea Charlotte could be such an animal. Nice beard you've got there. It was all worth it. Well, look at all this bread. I can make all kinds of snacks with this much. Cheese and peppers. Hey! Not bad, but I can do better. I need jelly and salami, ketchup, bacon, Nutella, of course, maybe some vegetables, jam, and I can't forget candy and whipped cream. Phew, I think that's it. Aw, but none of this would taste good together. Should have thought that out first. What's this? Red cabbage?
Oh.
Not bad, I like that stuff. A whole head of cabbage? Why me? This is too much. I can't even get my teeth into it. I think I'll peel off a few layers before I start. That's gonna take a while. Oh, it's just me. What's she doing? I'm trying to sort out all this cabbage. What don't you get? There. Now this is much more manageable. Ew. I shouldn't have put in the effort. Gross. If you don't want it, I'll finish that. Whoa, there's money in here. All 20 bucks.
Wow!
Ugh, why did I give up at the last minute? One cookie? So little. Not really impressive, is it? This is so unfair. You got a whole mountain of them. Stop staring at my food with those hungry eyes. Fine, I'll just look at my own. That taste. Wow! Takes me right up to 7th heaven. Excuse me while I just nab one more of these. Hey, I never agreed to that. The creamy frosting has always been my favorite part. What if I were to collect all of it? Not bad, not bad. Now I'm gonna stack it all up into a sugary tower. Wow! Not nearly enough. I need a few more layers than this. Getting taller, but it's not a skyscraper yet. 100. Mission accomplished. Holy cow! I want an Oreo like that! Keep on dreaming. This magnificent creation is mine, all mine. Oh, come on, just a little bite. That's what you get, Jacob. And this is what I get. Yum! Whoa, now that's what I call a hot meal. That's an understatement.
Oh, man!
I can't possibly eat all these peppers. It doesn't look like you've got much of a choice. Oh yeah, I'm glad I got mostly spaghetti and just one tiny little pepper. And yet, that was more than enough to start a fire. Save me, spaghetti! Well, did that help? What are you laughing about? You've got your own portion. Go on and eat. Fine, I'll help you.
Oh, man!
Gee, thanks. Alright, wish me luck. I think something terrible is about to happen. Fire! Susie, help me. Ooh. Thank you. You're a good friend. That was nothing.
Oh, man!
Check out what I can do now. Impressive. What about the rest, though? Wow, Pringles, my favorite. Mine too. Weird, it's empty. There's a hole in the bottom. Ooh. Glad you found your serving, and I hope I do too.
Oh, man!
There's nothing here, just a red button. You don't mind if I try one of… I think not. So greedy. Guess all I can do is push this button. Nothing's happening. I think this stupid thing's broken.
Oh, man!
What have you done, Jacob? I caused a Pringle avalanche. Ah!
Oh, man!
You okay? All good. Nothing to see here. Good thing that's over.
Oh, man!
Anything but broccoli. It's awful. This is unbelievable. I can barely see over it all. I have no idea how you're gonna eat all that. It's impossible. You'll have to make it possible. My little tree next to your forest doesn't look so bad, so I'll get to it. Alright, I think I know how to make this a bit easier. Hello, chainsaw. I'm chopping this forest down. Be careful, man. Sorry, I got really into that. Okay, at least it's all bite-sized now, and this big old straw will help me speed up the eating process. Just a little more to go. Wow, you're a human vacuum. Uh-oh, the broccoli's stuck. Ugh. Sorry, it was an accident. Why do I always get the short stick with the good stuff? Because Lady Luck is sticking with me today. Per the usual, I need to make the best out of what I'm given. Thankfully this is great. See the size of this bubble I was able to blow? Listen, you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm gonna teach you how it's done. So much gum. Score. No time to waste. Might as well shove all of it into my mouth at once. That looks rather off-putting. Couldn't care less. Good manners aren't for challenges. Here comes a big one. Get ready. Whoa, I need to measure that. Oh, I've lost my balance. Susie, you popped my bubble. Turned out funny, though. I can't believe what I'm seeing. You got so many. So you see them too? I thought I was dreaming.
Okay.
It seems like a nightmare to me. I've got only the one donut. But if I add on some whipped cream, that'll improve things. And if I put chocolate sauce on top of that, then I'm golden. While we're adding toppings, why don't I squeeze on some mustard? I'm ready to sink my teeth into my culinary masterpiece. Ugh, why is it so spicy? That taste! I need to wash it down with something now. I see you're feeling better. That means I can start. Oh, this is just to die for. Ugh, I've eaten so many donuts already, and there's still so many left. Ooh, I'm gonna play with my food. I've been wanting to learn how to juggle for forever. What did you say, Susie? Sorry, my hearing isn't so good. Oh my goodness, you look a little, tired, Jacob. Chocolate. I've been waiting for this the whole time. Ooh, and it's filled with cookies. Yum. Enough of that. Take a gander over here. Have you ever seen 100 bars of chocolate in one place before? I know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna make the best chocolate sauce in the world right now. We'll go for 30 seconds at a time. Done. Boo! It's a snake! Get it away from me! Take a chill pill. It's just a plastic one.
Oh, man!
Such a shame you didn't like my joke, but moving right along from one good thing to the next for me. That is so much chocolate. It's unbelievable. You have no way of knowing how good this is. You got a mustache out of it. I like it. I am loving it here. Take a chill pill, Susie.
Wow!
A massive golden donut? Amazing. Mine's not nearly as glamorous. Make your peace with it. The best and the most expensive things are coming to me. The sauce is pouring on so smoothly. It's the perfect addition. Well then, time to eat. It's phenomenal. A tiara? Thank you. It fits like a glove. I wonder if something similar will happen when I eat my donut. Help me. Where's my crown? This is not what I was hoping for. On the bright side, all these toppings are pretty good. Chips? Yes, please. Your can is pretty typical, but mine looks like it was made from gold. Chips themselves, too. They go perfectly with chocolate. I just can't make myself stop. That was amazing. Finally, it's my turn to pop this open. These aren't chips, they're raw potatoes. Ugh, so gross. These don't compare to chips at all. Poor Susie, you're forced to suffer once again. It's time to put an end to this. I'm going to upend her snacking fun. I think I'll gather chocolate right into the can. Why didn't I do this earlier? I wouldn't be so sure that's wise. Just look at how it turned out. Where'd this potato come from? Calm down, we'll get it out now. I almost died. Oops. What a fancy banana, all covered in jewels. And I got the boring yellow one. Aren't you used to that?
Wow!
No! What a nightmare. Want to trade? Of course I do. Let's do it. Sometimes the simpler version is the better one. And this banana looks perfect. Yum. A bug. Get this off me right now. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. It's on the table. Ooh, what colorful lollipops. And I get nothing at all. You win some, you lose some. What can I say?
Wow!
You can watch me though and see how much I enjoy mine. But that isn't fair. I'll just grab one of these. No big deal, right? Hands off! Well, then I'll have to get sneaky. I'll make my own sucker. Turning out pretty good. All that's left is to paint it. It looks like the real thing. Wow! Where did you get that? I want it. Oh, I don't know about that.
Oh, man!
I guess I could sell it to you. Fantastic! Here, take it all. Nice doing business with you. Take it.
Wow.
And I'm going to quickly get down to business. Bam, bam, bam! Just what I needed. This will make it a lot easier to eat with the chocolate. The best dessert ever. I'll sink my teeth into mine too. What a weird taste. It's more like cardboard than anything else. Burgers, nice. I'm starved. I'm ready to inhale this thing. Oh, I almost forgot to put on gloves. Pour on the sauce. I can try it now. Ugh, that can't be the best combo. Actually, it is. Susie, watch where you're throwing those. You just about ruined my makeup. Oh, what I wouldn't give to eat that. Don't even dream about it. It's all mine. I'm gonna cover it in chocolate and then dig in. Tons of coins. I need to get rid of all these so I don't chip a tooth. You're so lucky. I could use these coins. A whole watermelon? Interesting.
Wow!
Well, my rind is encrusted with precious jewels. I'm in seventh heaven.
Wow!
So juicy. How am I gonna cut this thing? Maybe brute force will work. Haha, nice. This big spoon will work perfectly. Learning some manners wouldn't hurt you. What are you talking about? I'm gonna fill this up with chocolate.
Yeah!
And then drink it all up. She's enjoying all that way too much. I wonder what she'll make of the special ingredient I added to it. I've still got the second half of my melon. Done and done. It's time for more of the good stuff. What? I'm gonna explode! Keep it away from me! Look away! Pizza! Ooh! Or in my case, one sad slice of the stuff. Ooh, cash! No way. I like this spread even more than the real stuff. With this money, I could head off to Italy and order a box of authentic pizza. Hello, are you in there? Hey! Oh, my pizza. Thanks. This is for you. Well, this is unusual.
Wow!
I couldn't be happier. All that's left is to layer on more sugar. Ugh, per the usual, she gets all the best dishes. And now for this slice. I'm not just gonna sit here. I can't. And I'll give you my pepperoni in exchange. Disgusting! Ugh. What, you don't like it? Because I'm super happy with this.
Oh, man!